nature and mangoes. So today I was in a good mood and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film my grandma's backyard. So this is the canal. Look how pretty it is. Super nice. It's a pretty nice day outside. So I was like, let me just film. And here's one of the mango trees that I'm debating if I should grab a mango. Let's see. This one. She's okay. She's alright. But I think this one that I'm about to pick is gonna be great. So here's a little tree that we love, and I think I'm gonna pick this one, and then you're gonna see me cut it up. So enjoy.